Hi guys, stem cell, the spongy tissues inside of our bones, the cells that is known as supercell, the cells that is present into the bone marrow. Actually, I want to explain you the total bone structure from look at. Suppose we have bones, different types of bones. Some bones are long and some bones are flat in body. These bones, which is femur, tibia, fibula, humerus, these kind of bones are present in human body. Radius, ulna, pelvis. Look at our hand bone and feet bone also. Our skull bone. These types of bones are present in human body, and these types of bones, in which some bones have bone stem cells. Stem cells are present in the bone marrow, and these stem cells perform important role. These stem cells perform important role. What they perform the important role? They produce all types of human body cells. They produce all types of human body cells, and look at how much this supercell are important. Because with the help of these cells, the production of immune system, the production of white blood cell, the production of red blood cell, the production of platelets, white blood cell, red blood cell, platelet, immune system. Immune system protect our body against microbes. Platelet, they helpful for the seal of damaged blood vessel. Platelet helpful for the seal of, for blocking of damaged blood vessel. Sometimes blood vessel wall damage. When the blood vessel wall damage, look at the blood vessel. When blood vessel wall damage, we need blocking of this area. So platelet come here, and they block. They form a clot here. They block the damaged tissue and blood circulation normal. Platelet produced by stem cell, and stem cell present in the bone marrow. Another point I want to explain you, red blood cell takes oxygen and transfer from one place to another. One place to another. White blood cell, they are very important because they have white blood cell are different kind of have structure, which is agranulocyte and granulocyte. Look at how much the importance of stem cells. If stem cell damage, it means bone marrow structure damage. If bone marrow structure damage, there is no production of all types of cell in human body. It means the patient have cancer. So we need bone marrow transplantation. What do we do if the damage of bone marrow structure if the damage of bone marrow, we need treatment, bone marrow transplant, or we use another way for the treatment, which is known as allogenic transplant. What do we use? Allogenic transplant. What is this type of transplant? When we take bone marrow from another person and transfer it into the patient, this is known as allogenic transplantation. Look at, I want to explain you again this structure. The stem cell, which is known as supercell, present in the bone marrow. Bone marrow actually produce all types of cells in human body, and these types of cells composed of tissues, and tissues perform important role for surviving in the world. Just take a review from me that different kinds of bones in human body, femur, tibia, fibula, humerus, radius, ulna, pelvis, hand bones, and leg and feet bones, they are flat and long. And these types of bones have stem cells which is produce platelet, immune system, red blood cell, white blood cell, and they have different role in human body. So sometimes bone marrow structure damage, we need transplantation. We use for a treatment allogenic transplantation also. In this kind of transplantation, we take bone marrow from one person and put it into the patient. This is known as allogenic transplantation. Thank you so much, guys. This information for you.